बात करें मशरिक़ वस्ता की तो सदर ट्रंप ईरान के नुकसान का अजाला करने को तैयार नहीं, उल्टा मुआवजे का तकाजा कर दिया। ओवल ऑफिस में गुफ्तगू करते हुए कहा कि जंग में अमेरिका का भी नुकसान हुआ है, ईरान इसकी तलाफी करे। खुद ईरान में मुजाहिरों के दौरान मुतादिद अफराद मुतासिर हुए, उन्हें मुआवजा दिया जाए। अमरीकी सदर ने मजीद कहा कि अपने नुमाइंदगान को हिदायत करते हुए उन्होंने मजीद कहा कि ईरान से मुस्तकबिल में होने वाले किसी भी मुज़ाकरात में मुआवजे का मामला मजबूती से शामिल किया जाएगा।
Reparations, you might say, or they asked for money for the damage that we've done. I said, that's a good idea. Well, we're going to ask for money for the damage they've done over a 50-year period. Whether you go SS Cole or whether you go all of the people that were so badly hurt, so badly wounded or killed, many thousands of people, and maybe damages for the 52,000 protesters over the last 4 months that were killed in Iran. We think their family should get damages for killing their person or their child or mother, father that were protesting. It's at least, it was 52,000 a month and a half ago. So now what is it? So if there's damages to be paid, I think Iran should pay those damages.